Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a quick thrift accessory haul. I actually went thrifting the other day and I didn't really want to pick up too many things. I just kind of went in to browse, but I found a ton of really cute accessories that I could just not let go. Like, I had to get them. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos you want to see from me, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I don't think I need any more coffee. Okay, I'm gonna come in closely because I'm actually gonna show you two things that I am wearing. This earring right here, I actually thrifted. I got it for, I believe, around $3. This is the other one right here, and I think it is so cute. If you guys know, I don't really wear dangly earrings, but for some reason, I've been really into it. I think this earring looks so cute on. I'm just like really obsessed with it. And then I also picked up the other earring I'm wearing, which is this one right here. I'm gonna show you out of my ear because I think it'll be easier for you guys to see. But it's kind of like this square, kind of just hoop earring in a way. I don't really know. I think it's so cute. I just love the geometric shapes of these, and I like am obsessed with them right now. Again, both of these were under $5. I think these were like $2.99, and I don't know how much these were. Maybe like $3.99 or $4.99, but they were both definitely under $5. Next, I picked up this bangle, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not a perfect circle. It has these areas where there's like thicker parts and then thinner parts and then thicker. And I just really think this is so nice. It's really heavy, so I think it's like real sterling silver. And this again was $2.99, so I was like, why not? You guys know I love silver. I don't really wear bangles or bracelets, but I just thought like it's something to have, and it's really heavy and good quality. So I feel like it's something that I can just add to my collection and keep forever. And then I also picked up another little bangle, even though I just said I don't wear them. And this one's pretty like fun. It has like this zigzag kind of squiggle detailing on it, and then it just has these two little silver balls that are just at the end, and this is so that I can expand to, like, I think get on your wrist and fit whatever wrist size you have. But I think this is like really cute, and again, it's like simple, but it's like a little fun piece, I feel like. I don't know. And I think this was also $2.99. I think all of these pieces were $2.99. This one actually I think was $5.99. It wasn't $2.99. This one was $2.99, this one was $5.99. I got this ring, which was actually $7.99, but this is definitely sterling silver as well because it was really kind of dirty, and I cleaned it up with some silver like jewelry cleaner that I have, and it just has like these 3 ridges. And again, it's one piece that I feel like I can keep forever and kind of add to my collection. I feel like I'm just gonna love silver forever, and why not? So when I see good deals, especially at thrift stores or secondhand shops, I just think I'm gonna just jump on them from now on. Okay, next I have some glasses. Okay, these were all $2.99 each. The first ones are basically just like, I'm pretty sure these are like sports glasses. They're giving me like Migos Motorsport meets Aaliyah meets the trendy skinny glasses that are in 2018. And I'm just really loving them. They were $2.99. I love how they have this really skinny side. I feel like it makes it look a lot more sleek, and then the front is just like that. Also, if you guys notice, all of these need to be cleaned a little bit better. So yeah. I know, you don't gotta let me know. I know. Okay, next, furthermore on the motorsport vibe, these are obviously like workers goggles, but they were $1.99, and I feel like these are absolutely amazing. This is what they look like. If you guys want to go get these, you can literally go to Walmart or Home Depot, and they will have them in like the construction section. Like, I know that for a fact. I don't think these are like some cool glasses, but they look like the trendy glasses that have been in. A lot of people have been making like these snowboarding glasses, or literally wearing snowboarding goggles as glasses, and I feel like these look like that. And I saw them at the Goodwill for $1.99, so I was like, here's my opportunity to try them out. Why not? And I'm really obsessed with them. I think they're so cute, honestly. Then next, I'm not really necessarily a designer person. I saw these Valentino glasses, and they were for $2.99 at the Goodwill, so I picked them up. Okay, let me tell you what these are giving me. These are giving me Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, when you have to go into the room where they shrink the people, the goggles that they wear. Is that not what these are? But they're Valentino, and they're $2.99, and I got them because they're black and white, and I feel like they cover my face, and they're really dark. And I feel like in the summertime, when I don't wear makeup, or when I look really tired and I just don't want to really be seen, I'll just put these glasses on. So I really like them. I think they're pretty cool. Again, they're kind of like different, but at the same time they're simple, and I feel like that's how all of these glasses are. Everything is so bright without these on, but yeah, I really like them. They just say, I don't know if you guys can see, they say Valentino on the side. I don't know if you guys are able to see, and that is that. But they were $2.99, and they also say Valentino on the inside in here. So yeah, a steal. Had to get them. Then I picked up, this again was $2.99. Everything was just $2.99, okay? This is a $2.99 thrift haul. I picked up this belt. Now, I'm not really someone who is really into like those metal belts, but for some reason I think this is really cute. I don't know why. And it's just this metal belt that comes around, and you can clasp it at all the different like the holes there. And this is from the brand Ellen Tracy. So it is a good quality belt. It's not really like a cheap metal one. I feel like sometimes like metal belts can look a little cheap, but as you can see, you can like clasp it on any of these and just keep it like that. So I think that's cool because I can wear it like really low rise, or I can wear it a little bit more high rise. And I just thought for $2.99, an entire metal belt, like why not? Even if I don't want to wear it as a belt, you guys know I'll figure out a way to like make some type of other jewelry out of this. So I had to pick it up, and again, it has like a good weight to it, so I thought it was really cute. Then next, these are like, okay, a little bit weird, okay? Don't come at me, I like them. These are some boots. Now I know it's spring and summer, but like it's still cold in New York, and I'll keep them next year. Anyways, they are these boots. They are from the brand LL Bean, but I just think they're cute. Like, they're gray. They literally fit me perfect. I feel like anytime I'm at the Goodwill, though, and a pair of shoes fits me perfect, I'm like, I have to get them. Because I'm just like, what are the chances that things fit me perfectly at the Goodwill? They never do. Like, things are always either huge or tiny. Like, they're never my size. But I found these. They were actually in the guys section, or like the little boy section. And I don't know, I feel like they just look like some, like, they like remind me of all the shoes that are trending right now. Like, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm not crazy because it has 1, 2, 3 layers. It looks like, you know, like the Balenciaga, the Fila, the Margiela, like all the stacked boots. Even how Skechers just came out with like the shoes like this. But they're from a thrift store, and no one's going to be walking around in these. Not that they want to be, but just because they're LL Bean and like, you know, but they look cute. They look on trend, and they're super duper comfy and good quality. So yeah, I'm really obsessed with these. I tried them on in the store, and I had like some snow pants on, and I just felt like I was ready to just like take on the snow, even though like I'm really calling on the sun. But by the way, these were $14.99, so I was kind of like because you guys know I'm cheap. Like, when I'm at the Goodwill, I just don't want to spend money. Like, I mean, obviously I'm there to spend money, but like, I just don't want to see a price tag that's over $5, honestly. Like, if it's over $5, I'm like, am I not at the Goodwill? I know they're shoes. I know they're good quality. I know $14.99 is a really good deal for boots. Obviously, they have the look of like the trending shoes that are in, and they're only $15. So I, you know, bought them for that reason. I think they're really cute, and I'm into it. So that's that. Okay, that was all I had to show you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Just kidding. But that was everything that I had to share with you guys today. I just drank a lot of coffee, so if I'm like all over the place and being crazy and a maniac, that's why. I hope you guys were entertained. I hope you guys liked the things I shared with you today. I hope you felt inspired to go to your local Goodwill or Salvation Army or thrift store and, you know, check out some stuff. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item from this haul was, and let me know if you guys want me to do a lookbook or style any of these things, even though they are accessories. If you guys want me to do like outfits with these things, I can do that, because, you know, that would be fun, like with all the glasses and then the shoes and, you know, the belt and the earrings, the bracelet, the ring, everything that I got. Oh, I'm being crazy. I'm being too crazy right now. I need to pull it together. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.